Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Neo, how it's had an amazing day today. What's next for Neo, what levels I'm looking at, and where I think it's going. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server, link in the description below. If you need help during market open, we're super active. Just hop in here, post the questions that you need answers to, and we'll try to answer those for you. Either way, we're super active, and we'd love to have you a part of the community. Now, let's get right into Neo, and let's talk about what happened. Well, I talked about this in my last Neo video. We expected a gap up because they had those amazing delivery numbers. They blew the water out. They were up over 100% from last year. So we knew today, guys, going to the session day, that Neo was going to have an amazing day. We knew that, right? Because of those delivery numbers. Now let's talk about a couple levels that I was looking at and levels that we need to hold and actually get above. Now, the first level obviously was at 49.37. That was the first level I talked about in my previous video. We gapped straight above that. We went right past that. We didn't even touch it, okay, because we gapped up. So that means we started the day up here at around $51. Now, we did get a little bit of a dip, but that was just the morning dip as usual. Now, the important level, the one I'm watching really closely right now, is this level right here at 52.77. This is a level that all of you need to watch. Now, I talked about as long as we can hold this level, we're heading back up to all-time highs. That's exactly what's going to happen, but we have to hold this level. If we don't hold this level, we know sellers are right here and we're just going to get rejected and come back down. Now, Neo, it did push all the way up to 54.41. So we are on a little bit of a dip. We were up over $6 at one time, but that's to be expected. I mean, we're already up 8%. When it was up to 56, that was 10%. So you can't expect, Neo to just go up 10, 15% every single day. You have to wait for the pullbacks. Those are healthy, guys. A lot of y'all need to understand that pullbacks, they are healthy, and then this is just a pullback right now. Now, ultimately, though, I still want Neo to hold 52.77. Right now, we're on the very edge, so even if we dip below, we still need to get above and hold above it. That's the most important part, and the reason I'm saying that is, I'm going to break this down and help y'all understand, is because notice how over here that we touch this level 1, 2, 3 times. So we know that buyers are right here. We know that buyers are here and that we need to hold this level. So when you're looking for the support levels on your charts, so when you're looking at these levels on your charts, make sure you find multiple levels where the price touches multiple times, okay? So right here, we know that touched 4 times, and over here as well, we're hovering above it. And as long as we can stay above this today, then we'll be fine and heading back up to $57. Now, keep in mind, Neo Day is right around the corner, guys. We have this trading week, the whole week, and then we have the weekend. That's when Neo Day is, January 9th. So Monday's session of next week is going to be very interesting. It's going to be huge. We may see, this is a couple of predictions for this week. We may see just a huge run up to Neo Day. So this whole week may be green, right? Maybe we'll get a dip buying opportunity one of these days this week. But I'm thinking maybe we have a run up, and then the actual event, that's when we sell off. So expect that. So if we have a huge run up, I lock in some profit, then get on after the dip buy. That's my thought process. That's typically what happens with the earnings plays. So we have an earnings run up, then when earnings is released, we sell off. So this is an event, so it could play out differently, but that's my thought process behind this, and that's what I'll be looking for. Now I'm going to bring up the option chain because we have something interesting as well. So if you go to January 15th, you go to the 55 strike call. Look how many open interest we have, guys. We have 49,000, about 50,000 contracts open for the 55 strike price. So you know that whoever is buying these contracts up, they're expecting Neo to be at 55 or way above 55. They're probably thinking it's going to be way above 55, and then once these contracts, move up $5, $10, these things will be worth a ton of money. So that's why they have so many open interest. So we could see a huge price increase well above 55, right? So I'm thinking Neo's going to surge really huge coming up very soon. Now, where's 55 at? It's literally right here. Right at this, we actually have a little mini resistance here. So 55 is right here, and all-time highs is right here at 57. Either way, we know that there's a huge amount of open interest. Open interest means that's how many people are holding it and swinging it over the next day. There is 32,000 volume up here. And then also, if you scroll up or look up at the 50 strike price, I made a video about this the other day, a couple of days ago, before we actually hit $50 mark. It was like 25,000. Look how many it is now. It's 67,000. People are loading up on this 50 strike price because they think NIO is going to go well above 50. It's already at, 52. So they think it's going to go way past 50, and these people think it's going to go way past 55. So we know that NIO is going to have a huge move. So this is next Friday's expiration date, January 15th. NIO Day would have already been passed. So I think we're about to have a huge run up to NIO Day. So if we do get that massive run up, I consider locking in profits, but we need to take this one level at a time. The first level we need to hold is 52.77. So when you're watching NIO today, and whenever this video goes out, make sure that we hold this level. If we hold this level, we're bullish and we're heading back to all-time highs. If we don't, we're falling back down, and then expect to find some type of support play right here. Either way, NIOs are looking amazing. They reported those awesome numbers, and that's why we saw that huge catalyst move up today. Investors are confident in NIO now, or I'm not saying they weren't confident before, but these numbers just solidify that, and I think NIO is a long-term stock that you need to hold in your portfolio. Either way though, I hope all of you have an amazing day. Thank you for watching this video, and quick reminder, go ahead and hop in the free Discord server. We'd be more than happy to have you here. Anyways guys, I will see you all in the next video.